other types of natural disasters. Earthquakes can happen at any time without any notice. Being prepared for an earthquake will make a difference in being able to protect yourself, your family, or your home in the event of earthquake. An earthquake is the weak to violent shaking of the ground produced by sudden movements of rock materials below the Earth's surface.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, Mrs. Go.
Sit down. Our topic for today is about DRRM. Can anyone knows what is the meaning of DRRM? Please raise your hand. Anyone? Tawag student. Okay. Tayo makahanap kung example ako sa disaster, meaning sa disaster. Raise your hand. Hi. Come to the front. Isuot mo na example sa disaster. Malay ko rin na lang. Example sa disaster.
Ano ka tas na, Jen?
And here are some steps on what to do during an earthquake. Step 1. Issue command. Duck, cover, and hold. Take cover under a sturdy table or strongly supported doorway, or keep head cover with a solid structure. Watch out for falling objects, keep calm and don't panic, and instruct the doors open. Step 2 when the shaking stops. Students line up into two buddy systems and quietly go out the room. Bring the first aid and proceed to a designated open space or mini grandstand and wait for further instructions. Don't run, don't push, don't talk, don't bring your things, don't return, and never go back once you're outside the building. Step 3. Students' Accountability Procedures. Teachers conduct head count or roll call once in the designated evacuation area and report the number of students to your grade level coordinator. Transmit rapid assessments of damages, informations with the following info: name of section, number of enrollees, number of injured, and number of missing. Step 4. Teachers and Personnel Tracking Procedures. Teachers and personnel will send report to their safety to the department head and group heads with the following information: name, location, in school or out of school, safe or unsafe.